Download the code from codigive.com. Link in description. The flash lightning hover effect is a visually striking animation that enhances user interaction on a web page, particularly when hovering over elements like buttons or images. Utilizing HTML and X, this effect creates a dynamic experience by incorporating a quick flash or lightning-like burst of light that appears when the user hovers over an element. The design typically employs transitions and keyframes to achieve a smooth and eye-catching animation. By manipulating properties like opacity, transform, and background color, developers can create a sense of movement and energy, making the interface more engaging. This effect not only adds aesthetic appeal but also serves to draw attention to specific elements, encouraging user interaction. The flash lightning effect can be customized in terms of speed, color, and intensity, allowing for flexibility in design. Overall, it's an effective technique for enhancing the visual experience of a website while maintaining responsive design principles.